What is one of the main conversations that you must have with everyone who rides a motorcycle in California? I'm going to tell you. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm attorney Craig Murphy. I've been practicing law for over 30 years. I've been representing people who have been injured in motorcycle crashes, and there are some common things that always happen. And there is a conversation that you must have with anyone who rides a motorcycle. Now, I am not an insurance salesman. I am a personal injury attorney, and I go against insurance companies all of the time. But the conversation that you must have with anyone who rides a motorcycle deals with insurance. And that is, in California, if you ride a motorcycle, you have to have enough insurance to protect yourself. Many people that ride motorcycles say, hey, why do I need insurance? I've never ran into anybody on my motorcycle before. If I run into somebody on my motorcycle, it's not going to do that much damage. But that's not the point. There are 2 points. Number one, if you are hit by somebody on your motorcycle and severely injured, and you do not have liability insurance, California law says that you cannot be paid for all of your damages. Most of your damages will be for the personal injuries that you sustain. But if you don't have insurance, the only damages that you can get are your economic damages, which means any lost wages that you have and to repay your health insurance for your medical treatment. You do not get any money for your pain, your suffering, your disability. None of it. So you have to have liability insurance. But more importantly, you must have uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. And the amount of insurance that you have to have a minimum of a 100,000, 300,000 uninsured, underinsured motorist policy. And on top of that, you need to have an umbrella policy. And your umbrella policy should be a minimum of $1 million. The reason that I tell you that, if you're severely injured in a motorcycle crash, you have to have that coverage. 1 out of 5 drivers in California has no insurance at all. There is a significant portion of the population that has the minimum coverage, which is $15,000. That is not going to be enough to pay your medical bills and your expenses, your lost wages, and compensate you for your injuries. So you have to have uninsured, underinsured coverage that will protect you from all of the other drivers. And what you have to have is a $100,000, $300,000 policy with a $1 million umbrella. Call your agent and ask them. Those coverages are some of the cheapest insurance coverage that you can get. And it will provide you the protection that you have to have if you ride in California. So don't delay. Don't go riding if you don't have insurance, and don't go riding if you don't have enough to cover yourself and to adequately protect you. If you have any questions, give me a call. Also, share this video with anyone that you know that rides. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will continue to provide you with critical information that you need to know to protect yourself when you ride a motorcycle.